You're terrible at cooking, you should probably kill yourself. Today we're going to make a Philly cheesesteak, the national dish of the state of Pennsylvania, or Philly for short. And if you're from that state, or New York, or those of you who have tasted a real authentic sandwich, just to warn you, don't watch this video. Your eyes will melt for what I'm about to do with how I make this sandwich. First off, let's introduce our culprits, our offending ingredients, also known as offing, which stands for off yourself, damn it. This one right here is corned beef. Since it tells us we shouldn't make this, we'll just ignore it right away because it's full of corporate baloney. Next is the fresh ground pepper. As you can see right here, I probably don't need to cover that up since it's freshly ground. Next one is the cutting board and knife. You can eat this if you want, but if you've ate an airplane before, just kidding, don't eat an airplane. Got onions, although we're going to use the white ones, and yeah, butter, cheddar slice, and garlic, and last but not least, bread. So as you can see here, I've been pointing to a lot of stuff. Save my talking points for later, and there we go. That's my talking points. So we're going to chop up some onions right here. We're going to peel off that skin until there's nothing left. We're going to eradicate the force of evil by simply cutting a huge chunk of onions, and we're going to chop the other side of the onion as well. And once you're done with that, let's move on to another ingredient, which is garlic. We're going to chop those as well. First off, we're going to trim off the top and bottom of the garlic. Chose 4 cloves of garlic since it's enough for 2 people to eat their Philly cheesesteak with garlic on their mouths. And while I'm waiting to handle that knife, I start to cut, chop it to tiny little pieces. Yeah, and yeah, I don't know why I did that. I don't really get it. So I just keep chopping it all away. Keep chopping it up into tiny little pieces, tiny little bits of pieces. How long does this clip go for? How long is this clip? Like a minute. Okay, so we've just been informed that, oh, it just ended. And then on a very low heat, you gotta get your butter, you gotta put it in a skillet or a pan, and in case if you put so much butter and still hasn't melted, all you need to do is basically put your camera high up and take that away, take that butter away, be sent into butter jail. And then you gotta put in that garlic. Since I don't have the time to put it in bread right away, I'm trying to make garlic bread here, right? Basically, I've been trying to make garlic bread, and that's one of my laziest methods of doing so. Yeah, it's been a while since I cook a Philly cheesesteak, but yeah, it's really a struggle when it comes to uh, recreating or trying to improvise with what I'm doing right here. So I think we're going to put in that bu- uh, toast bread. Yeah, bread. Yeah, all right. Here we go. We got the bread. We got the bread. Yeah, bread. So we're just going to let it sit there for like I don't know, minutes or so. Look, I don't know why you want me to voice over this, but I have kids. I have a wife waiting for me. Okay, you want me to record this? Do an AI. Like, Why can't you do it in AI? You can put my voice down. Here. Okay, okay. Stop pointing that knife at me. It's terrible. It's making me uncomfortable. Jeez. Oh man. Then once that's done, okay, fine. Stop touching me. Once that's done, I gotta put it in a plate and put it away. Yeah, yeah. That's what he's doing right there. That's not my hand at all. I didn't do this. Who did this? Come on. And now I'm just taking away all the garlic. What a waste of garlic. Come on. It's so sad. This meal's so sad. It's equivalent to that of a Soviet Union. You know how long you can get a car in the Soviet Union once you fully paid? Years! Years! Years of waiting, and you have to be in line. If you miss the deadline, you don't have a car anymore. You just have to wait again. This is how I feel right now with you, stuck in a room with you. And then what? You're going to voice you're going to force me to voice over to this crap. You're just trying to insult my heritage. I'm Philadelphian, and my dad's a New Yorker. What the hell? Why? This is a, this is a violation of a Geneva Convention right here, right in front of my eyes. Like, look at it. Oh dear. I hope my kids don't discover that this video exists. Otherwise, they're going to replicate it. Yeah, they've been watching 5 minute crafts, hacks, restoration videos, Top Gear. They watch everything. Alright, so he's gonna season it with salt and pepper. Look. If you stop touching me, I'll do your voiceover, okay? I'll do it for free. As long as I'm safe. As long as I keep safe. Oh, okay. Alright, you're gonna. Oh. Mm, mm. Uh, ugh. That tastes like piss. What was that? Piss! Come on. Alright, so he's gonna fry it off. Put it away. Put the corned beef away. Uh, alright. Uh, what have I missed? Hey, isn't there like one ingredient left? What? Oh dear, no, heavens, no, God, no, not the onions, no. I swear. Although I'm close friends with YSAC, we're not that close friends. We're like, I'm a subscriber, and he only liked my post once, and it's about a mac and cheese that tastes so good. And how come you're such a shitty cook? I don't know. Maybe you're a kid. Maybe you're autistic. Maybe you have ADHD. See that? The pan is burnt. Because you never deglazed it. You never deglaze it with white wine. Or water at least. Damn. Oh my god. Uncle Roger has already his legs put down because of this. Hiya. Alright, you're going to mix it. You're going to mix it. Wang jangle. Is that what you want me to say? Wang jangle? Wanging, you're jangling, wanging. Yeah, cutting up. cutting up all the onions so it would cook quicker. Nothing's going to cook so fast than you being a patient man and you actually learning how to cook. If you actually got a master chef, they won't even let you in because you're such a shitty cook. With a shitty life, you're forcing me to narrate this, voice over this. Now he's splitting it into two portions for each, two sandwiches of Philly cheesesteak. Now he's going to add cheddar instead of provolone because there's no provolone in the Philippines. There's no hoagie bread. It's only hot dog buns, hopes and dreams stuck together like glue, a shitty glue. And then he's putting it all in there. When will this torment stop? It's painful. It's really painful to watch. It's really painful to see. Oh my god, oh, oh, it's terrible. It's terrible. Oh dear, no, heavens. Never have I ever seen a shitty cook that this shitty. It's shittier than Case Cooking. It's shittier than Jamie Oliver. You're actually the bottom of the pan that you're trying to scrape. And then he's going to plate it up. Good, 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 good. Please let it in. Please let it in. Oh, okay. Now you're trying to go for the other one and scrape it off. Oh, finally we're done. That's a wrap. Wait, there's more? There's more I need to react? What is this? How long did this took you? 30 minutes for a sandwich for a Philly cheesesteak. I would have done that in just minutes. Under 10 minutes. And I would have been off to work if it wasn't for this video. Alright, you know what? Just get on with it. Just put it in the sandwich. Okay, hurry it up. You don't need to actually perfect it. That thing is terrible regardless. Now you're gonna spin it. Okay. Nice presentation. Terrible food. Nice presentation for terrible food. No, that's the cross section. Oh, that looks like worms. That looks like a can of worms in a bread. And now you're going to eat it. Ew. You're actually disgusting at this point. You suck.